Today I'm going to show you a really quick and simple way to tie your tie. Lay it out flat on a table and turn it upside down. Then loop over each end like this. Take the loop at the thin end of the tie and twist it over on itself like this. Then tuck it inside the bigger loop. Take the tail of the tie, thread it through the two loops, and pin it to the other end of the tie like this. Carefully pull the loop from the other side and turn it over. You can open up the loop to put it over your head and tighten it up. Pretty smart, huh? So if I show you again quickly, lay it out flat upside down, loop over each end. I used my left hand to take hold of the thin end, loop it over, and tuck it inside the big loop. Take the thin end of the tie, thread it through the loops, pin it to the other end, and pull the loop from the other side. And there's our tie, ready to wear. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to get notified every time I launch a new video, you can subscribe to my channel. Then you need to click the little notification bell by the subscribe button and tick the box. To see more of my videos, you can take a look at my YouTube channel page or click on the links. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.